Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain 5 technical questions from the CCNA exam. First, let's look at the first question. It asks, which type of tunnel can transmit broadcast traffic between remote sites and also supports encryption? So which one supports encryption? It's the one that supports encryption. And what is this ISA thing? It's something that uses the IKE protocol framework, right? It's not this one. It's not about encrypting traffic between remote sites. Encryption is always done by IPsec. So with IPsec, GRE forms the tunnel, and then IPsec is used for encryption, right? So for this question, the answer is D. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is about AS, about ACLs. Access control list. We're asked to write an access control list to control the 0-0 interface. Allow any traffic on the 0-0 interface, which means allow this, right? And then control other traffic on the 0-1 interface. So, among the following options, which one is correct? Option C is here, but it's wrong. The correct answer is this one, the one we wrote. 99 is the basic ACL number 99, then permit to allow. The 0-0 interface is the 10.1.100.0 network, right? And then the wildcard is 0.0.0.5, and which one do we deny? We deny the 192.168.0.0 on the right side interface with a wildcard of 0.0.255.25, so the correct answer is A. Let's take a closer look at the correct answer. It's A. All right, question 3. Question 3 is a multiple choice question. This question says that we must on this router 1, this 2.1, it's not written very clearly here, but on 2.1, which 2 commands should we configure to allow it to accept secure remote access? Select 2 for remote access connections. 1 is this one. You need to configure this particular password, right? These 2 crucial options, B and C. Option B is specifically used to create a local username and a corresponding password, which are absolutely required for a secure SSH login. You absolutely must configure this important setting. Then, option C is designed to generate the asymmetric RSA key pair, which is essential for secure communication. Right? So these 2 options are correct. So choose B and C. All right, question 4. For question 4, it talks about the radius server when providing access for the WLC, that is for the wireless controller. Which service is needed? What kind of service can it provide? If it lacks the accounting service and it says it doesn't provide accounting, then we know it can provide authentication. This is called authorization, authentication, and accounting. Authorization, authentication, and accounting, right? And then as for confidentiality, that's not something it provides, right? From the perspective of the radius server itself, it only provides authentication, accounting, and authorization, right? It doesn't provide encryption or those kinds of things, right? Confidentiality and such. So option D is incorrect, right? It doesn't provide confidentiality. Okay, the correct answer is D. Now, question 5. Question 5 says this. Which action? It asks, which action is part of the organization's security plan? As part of the organization's security plan, physical access control was implemented. Now let's see why the correct answer is B. Why do we choose B? B says to set a password for the console port. In the security framework, specifically in ISO 27001, this is considered a physical access control. This definition doesn't just include door locks and access control systems. It also includes the physical ports of devices that people can physically access. Right? And option A is about detection. It talks about detection, not access control. As for options C and D, one of them is, it's about logic side. One is about backups. One is backup and the other is logical access, not physical access. So the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Let's look at the correct answer. All right, shall be submitted. If you want to learn Cisco technologies or get access to Cisco question banks, please send me a private message. You can also leave a comment below the video for technical discussions.